Alright. So last episode we discussed that we need to get some, oh my god, you can see my hairy ass leg, man. We need some money in the pocket to actually start buying the parts we need to fix this thing. Good news is, I have someone coming to pick up these DTM 17x7s I have laying outside, 5x100. So that's $300 in my pocket, and by the time I'm editing this, he'll be here and giving me the money. I'm gonna do some work on this fucking car. It's been raining all day, and it just cleared up now. I thought I'd use the time before the sun comes down, at least rip the exhaust off, because it's got a lot of tiny holes in it that I need to weld back up. And I won't be doing the welding today. I don't have my welders at my cousin's. I was meant to clean the gears today, couldn't be fucked. Yeah, no, it just couldn't be fucked. So, okay. So thankfully most of the exhaust is V-banded. Got one up there as well at the test pipe, and from the test pipe, so it's got the 2 bolts there. Some fuck ass reason that one is a 13mm. Got 13mm here, but this one's a 14mm. Sometimes it's probably going to be a mission. But yeah, we'll get this off. So got one hanger there, and another hanger there. Nice wee trick I like to use. Bit of WD-40. Check that on, check it on the back as well. And then what we do, get a hand in there, pull that out just like that. Get this one side, so get the other one there. Alright, then that's off. So now we just have to get this out. It's black, my hand is gone. So much dirt and shit. There we go. Extra HKS tip itself. These welds are something else. Holy shit. But there you guys, you can see all these little marks right there. There's a leak right there. A couple more leaks there. And it's like this through the whole exhaust. All the way to the headers. So, as I crawl under here, it's basically the same concept. So we won't focus too much time on this one. I'll just get the video going. So the flexi pipe, this flexi pipe is cocked. I probably should have taken off the hangers. This is where tools like this come in handy.
I'm really about to get your pickle chin that boy. Egg like collard green head that boy. Oh head that boy, yo dirt that boy, stink that boy, afro head that, lip gloss chin that boy, ugly that boy.
Oh shit's not bad. What's this? About to fall on my fucking head. There we go. Ooh. Oh. Fuck me. So yeah, that's the midsection. Full exhaust all out. As you can see, that's heinous. We'll
is that? Oh shit!
Heinous. We'll address that when it comes to. Probably just cut that there, and then get an actually nice looking pipe, because what the actual living fuck is that? Massive holes all around the resonator. I'm probably going to need a new resonator if I'm being honest. Going to need a new flexi pipe. All these holes, is more on the bottom. So yeah, so just more money and more parts added onto the list. A new tip, because this tip absolutely shot. Exhaust is off. We've had a look at it, seen what's wrong, seen what we need for it. Alright, so here's the first 300 of the series. Exactly. Let's go. We did it. First flip has been done. Sold those DTM 5x100 wheels. So we also took the exhaust off today and seen we need a new resonator, flexi pipe, and obviously a new exhaust muffler. So obviously I want to buy the flexi pipe and resonator brand new. Don't want to cheap out on that. So for a Flowmaster resonator for 2.5 inch, we're looking at around $109. Shipping will probably be like $10, $15. Flexi pipe on Trade Me is around $26. Don't need to go balling on a flexi pipe. And then exhaust will go from, we'll say $150 to $400, because I don't know yet if I'm going to buy one on Marketplace or just buy a brand new axle back. Today done. We're doing a lot better than we did yesterday. Actually did some work on the car and now we're up $300. The real thing is, I don't know what to do now with this $300 right here. Do I buy the parts I need? Do I buy flips on Marketplace? What I'm thinking is I'm going to reinvest $50 of this microphone with that $50, so that's going to leave us with $250 on the side. So we have $250 because I'm going to use $50 to buy a microphone to clip on here so the videos are better, and obviously I'm going to reinvest back into the channel. But before we end the video, I just want to say a huge shout out to Willie, Noisy Media. If you've seen my YouTube banner, he made that for me. What a good cunt. Short brother. And also want to say thank you to everyone for 109 subscribers. That's insane. Just at the end of the day. I don't know how. Thank you guys so much. Motivation to actually keep this keep the series going. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.